Hey George, is it breakfast time? Is it time to have some breakfast? Is it time for some doggy bacon? Yeah. She's eating the breakfast, but she's keeping her ears up. It's time to go hunting. She don't want to get left behind. She's keeping a close eye on Dad. He's in the camouflage, so she knows that means they're going hunting. And she does not let him out of her sight when it's hunting day. She is making sure he stays in sight at all times. Hey George, you like that? Is that good doggy bacon? Is it time for the eggs? Oh, it's time for the eggs. I like my eggs, Mama.
This ain't gonna fit in there.
It sure is not. But that's not.
Alright, this one I'm putting back in here is brand new.
I understand.
It.
And you just throw it all, look at the mesh you made down there, you just throw it all down there and walk off.
Gonna hold the plate still, George. You got it? She want it? She want to get it?
Adam, you want some eggs?
I'm good, but thank you. I've had some cereal. I guess that was going to happen anyway.
What, you got it on the floor?
Just for a second.
Well, just, you know, get that down, walk it up.
All right, George, you going hunting? She had breakfast. She ready to go hunting?